Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with Dtube, Steemit and Steam, and with another recipe to share today with the same clothes but different hat. Ha! Anyways, this following recipe is very nice if you like peanut butter Reese cup. It's not exactly peanut butter cup that I make today, but it's more double nut chocolate cup because I'm using almond butter and also peanut butter. Not peanut butter, but more to peanut butter powder. Check out the full recipe, check out the full video if you'd like to try this recipe. It's very nice, very smooth result of this chocolate cup. And I added some sprinkles because it is there for little kids, but otherwise you can skip the sprinkles and it will be totally similar to Reese peanut butter cup. I'll see you soon. Bye. So for this we will be needing half cup of dairy-free chocolate chips. This is one bag of Simply Delicious dairy-free white chocolate chips, about 2 to 5 grams. 3/4 cups of almond butter, half tablespoon of vegetable shortening, and 2 tablespoons of PB2 powder, which is peanut butter powder without the fat. We're gonna melt it in the microwave until totally melted and combined, and then we're gonna mold it or put it into a mini cupcake liner, and then we're gonna chill it in the fridge until set. That's about it. Just gonna mix it. You want to warm it at 30 seconds intervals until totally mixed and melted and combined. You can fill this melted goodies into a piping bag and then with a nozzle pipe it into the cupcake liner to make it easier, or you can use ice cream scoop or just spoon. So just scoop and fill the cupcake liner. And you can put sprinkles if you want, but if you want to make it like Reese peanut butter cup, this should be it, without any sprinkles or any add-on.